Hi everyone, welcome to Design Career Lab by Eventriga Academy. My name is Oladimeji Gabriel and I will be your instructor for this course. This is a brand design course, so let's get started. Firstly, what is Design Career Lab? Design Career Lab teaches beginners the fundamentals of graphic design and how they can use artificial intelligence to become more productive and creative. Before now, designers usually go online to to make research on platforms like Pinterest, Behance, Dribble, etc. But with the coming of artificial intelligence, now you can have another layer of research to your design workflow. Instead of using just internet-based platform, you have generative AI that can easily help you carry out some specific tasks which are very complex when you are using your design software. For example, when you want to remove background before, you have to use Photoshop and you trace out the image. But now with the coming of AI, in seconds, you can easily remove image from the background. This is the reason why we introduce Design Career Lab, where you are going to learn how to use modern design softwares and AI tools to create professional brand design from scratch. By the end of this course, students will learn how to design for brands using their traditional design software and AI-powered workflow. In the stage one of this course, for brand design, we have why AI and design. Here you will learn how designers use AI and the importance of AI in design workflows. In the stage two, you will be introduced to graphic design. In this stage, you will be introduced to graphic design as a beginner. You will learn what graphic design is, the importance of graphic design, your role as a graphic designer, what are the areas of specialty, because we have area of specialty. Graphic design is a complex field. There are different areas of specialty. You get to know them. And in this stage also, you carry out a task on how to identify bad and good design. In the stage three of this course, you will learn the elements of design and some of the principles of design. The elements are those tools that you use in your design, and the principles are those rules you should follow so that you can create a good design. In the stage four of this course, you will learn how to use generative AI platforms as a designer. If you want to remove background, if you want to upscale your image, there are different AI platforms that can help you with that. In this stage, you'll be introduced to that and the importance of generative AI to designers. In the stage five of this course, you will learn how to create with design software. So we'll be using either Photoshop or Affinity and other online-based platform like Canva, and also Trigger Studio, which is an in-house based design software. In the stage six of this course, you will learn how to enhance your design with AI tools. Just like I said earlier, generative AI for designers in the stage four. But in the stage six, you will learn how to use AI tools to also enhance your design. You also carry out a final project, a capstone project, so that you showcase your skills and let the world know what you have learned in this course.